I love brunch. I mean, come on. There's the perfectly crisp bacon, grapefruit mimosas, tremendous brunch potatoes, always something sweet like cinnamon rolls. But for me, brunch is all about the Benedict. And a Benedict made with Bumble solid white albacore tuna is one of my faves. Combine tuna, breadcrumbs, green onion and parsley, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, and salt and pepper. Then mix and shape into perfect patties and refrigerate 15 minutes to let them firm up. And cook them about 5 minutes aside or until golden and crispy. Then keep them warm. Now here's a great tip for changing up your hollandaise, and it involves this. So once you have your hollandaise made, just add diced green onions and a few squeezes of sriracha. Then mix. Now we assemble the tuna cake on the bottom, a perfectly poached egg, and of course, the sriracha hollandaise. If you start with great ingredients, you end with a great meal. Solid white albacore tuna. Only Bumblebee albacore will do.